Hello and welcome to my cozy nest. This is a project that is very dear to me. I wanted to give a farewell gift to my closest colleagues at work with a personalized name tag. For these colorful hearts, you need heart-shaped plywood, decoupage glue, a paintbrush, an iron. I have a fancy new mini iron that I love to use, but any iron will do. Also, you need some parchment paper. And of course, paper napkins. I rummaged through my leftover napkin stash for pretty designs. Because the color of the hearts is very light, there was no need to paint them white. I usually use white chalk paint for this purpose, as it requires only a coat or two. I applied decoupage glue straight onto the wood. I made sure the edges were well coated with glue. I then left the glue to dry completely. This makes applying the napkin so much easier. While the glue was drying, I chose the designs. Then I placed the napkin onto dry glue, covered it with parchment paper and applied heat with the iron. I repeated the process until each heart had its own napkin. With a sanding block I sanded the edges of the heart, which perfectly removed the napkin, leaving just the heart shape. To give the napkins a little protection from wear and tear, I applied a water-based top coat. I punched through the hole with the back of my paintbrush. As the hearts dried, I wrote the name on the back and tied them to the mugs with the string. This marks a new chapter in my life, a completely different career, a new beginning. Thank you for being here.